Is it you? Or is it you? Or is it you? What's up, guys? If you're new here, my name is Sean. Streets call me Color Me Fresh, and today is going to be a countdown of the top 6 shoes I made in the year of 2021. Now, you knew it was coming. The end of the year is fastly approaching, so it only makes sense. And I know some of you are probably wondering, well, bro, why did you pick the number 6? Well, because 10 and 15 was too easy. When I thought about my top 10 or top 15 shoes, it would just be me listing most of the shoes I made that I liked. I wanted to have to choose. I felt like 10 was too easy, it was cheating. I wanted to have to go through each shoe I made and kind of think about why I'm putting this on the list. Now, I could have used 5, but I'm not going to lie, 5 was a bit too hard for you, boy. That extra sneaker made a huge difference, so I went with 6. Before we get into the video, however, you guys know what's next. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification one time for your boy. Also, leave a comment down below of a pair of shoes I made that you like this year. Now, let's get into this list, shall we? Now, number 6 is the Attack on Titan Jordan 1s. I've only seen 3 episodes of Attack on Titan, but I did already know who Eren and the Armor Titan were. It's not because I don't like Attack on Titan. It's just I'm a late anime bloomer. I don't read manga. I mean, I don't really read in general, but hey. And I don't really have time to watch anything currently. You know, I'm busy working and I'm trying to get caught up on Naruto and a couple of other animes that I started watching. And so Attack on Titan is one of those ones I haven't really gotten around to watch. So these are easily one of my favorite shoes. They're clean, they're simple. I know some of you guys are probably gonna be like, hey bro, I can't believe you just said they were simple. For what I normally do with the shoes being covered in artwork, and you know, me adding tubing and leather and different things like that, this is a simple design, and I think that's why I dig it. I feel like it's an anime themed shoe that gets the point across, but it's not too complex. You know, sometimes you just gotta pull out that 64 Impala, put the seat back, put on some Dre and just cruise, baby. And if you don't know what I mean by that, you know, you just gotta chill sometimes, relax, smooth. And that's what these shoes are for me. Now, number 5 on the list are the Luffy Jordan 1s. And again, I've only seen 3 episodes of One Piece, but I knew who he was along with the other main characters of the anime. And the idea that I wanted to go with at first was to do a shoe for each ship, but I cut that and it stuck with the Going Merry. I'm sure you'll correct me in the comments, but I believe that's right. And so this was one of the first shoes that I started sculpting with. And so the sheep head that's on the front of the ship, made the little lace lock out of clay. I sculpted that. I then made a mold and then I cast it in resin, and bada bing, bada boom. It's really like the execution of the ship and how the shoe looks like the ship. You have the sea moss going on the swoosh and things like that. But I think the favorite part of this shoe for me is crazy as it may sound, it's the tongue tag. You know, it looks like a ship sail, a pirate sail, and I feel like that tongue tag kind of brings everything together. I kind of went a little bit wider. I think this is about 1.75 inches or maybe 2 inch, and so it's a lot wider than your normal tongue tag, and I think it actually looks pretty dope. This is when we get into the meat and the potatoes. This is when things get a little bit difficult. So I've been thinking about this for a couple of days, and it's between the Goku Jordan 1 and the Master Roshi Jordan 1. And upon further review, I had to realize there's really no competition, in my honest opinion. It gotta go to Roshi, man. The colors, the design, the concept, the bikini top tongue tags, man. Like, the bikini top tongue tags alone is like a game changer. And so I have to put Roshi at the number 4 spot. You guys let me know out of the 2 shoes which you would have chose. But yeah, man, Roshi honestly could have been higher, but man, I'm not gonna lie, I had a couple of good shoes this year, if we gonna be honest. If we gonna keep it a buck, maybe a $150, yeah man, it was a little bit difficult, but you know. Now, number 3 is gonna be one of the 2 Garman Repair, and again, this was a tough one. The first Garman Repair was easily one of my favorite shoes, and then I sold them. Since I sold that pair, I had to make another pair. Oh man, oh man. Now, what I like about the first Garman Repair is, of course, I like the design, the concept, the sand going around the shoe, but the dusting of the toe box, and then of course the sand armor image with his mother covering him, man, That's easily some of my favorite images on some shoes, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Number 2, I like the swoosh, and I do really like the engulfing of the shoe with the sand, as well as the sand texture. But if I have to choose, I'm probably gonna have to go with number 1, and that's because of the images on that shoe. Again, the Chunin exam arc in Naruto is easily one of my favorites, and just the images, man, it's just, I don't know, it just looks crisp and clean to me. Now, if I would have put those 2 images on the second guard pair, then I would have easily picked that one, but those images to me are a game changer, so I had to go with it. Now, number 2, I really don't feel like we need to talk about this one, but it's the Ninja Turtle Jordan 1s, man. Like, do we need to have a discussion about these or why they're on the list? I mean, the cheese, the graffiti, the custom swooshes, the TGRI lace lock, man. If you haven't seen the video of how I made these, you can check that out right here. Like I said, I really don't think there's a whole lot of discussion that needs to be had on this pair. Easily one of my favorites. I'm a Ninja Turtle fan, but I just feel like the concept and the execution of this pair is just... Well, number 1, I feel like it's only right that I include an original design. Kilo 47 is my own original story with my own characters, and it was a huge milestone for me, so I feel like it only makes sense that this spot, it has to go to one of these shoes. It has to go to either Gino or Takeda. Now, I do not know which one I'm going to pick, but this is what we're going to do. Walk with me now. Scene, house is on fire, flames are falling. I get burned. Smoke is coming up and engulfing me. I can't breathe. Now, as I'm scrambling trying to find an exit, I hear somebody call my name. Sean, Sean, Sean. It's the shoes. I have all these shoes and I can only pick one. What do I do? What do I do? Things are falling. I gotta escape. Oh my God. Insane. I have to go with Gino. Right? I love the Takeda shoe, from the layering of the leather around the toe box with his mask, the Wu-Tang vibe, the resin, the tubing, all of that, all the accessories I added, and I feel like I really told the story. But Gino shoe, for what I want to do, I want to tell like a manga scene or a comic book scene, and I want to use shoes to do that, and I feel like Gino's sneaker did that better. You know, the artwork and the scene of the artwork is depicted a little bit better, and I feel like it's more fluid. So for that reason, I have to go with Gino. You guys let me know which shoe you would have picked. And also, let me know of any shoes that you like of mine of 2021 in the comments down below. Now, with that concluding the video, you guys do your boy a favor. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification one time for your boy. Until next time, guys and gals, appreciate you. Peace.